Carol's financial advisor told her she had 2 retirement accounts, her 401k and her Roth IRA. He never mentioned the third one, already sitting in her benefits package, growing tax-free, untouched for 6 years. That third account has been legal since 2003, no income limit, no required minimum distributions. After 65 it functions identically to a traditional IRA. Your advisor never mentioned it because it pays no commission. In the next 7 minutes you will see exactly how Carol transformed her HSA from a copay account into a 6-figure retirement vehicle, without changing her insurance, her employer, or contributing a single dollar more. Most people use their HSA in spending mode, money in, copays out, balance near zero. Carol switched to accumulation mode, money in, invested immediately, never touched, same contributions, $4,000 versus $179,000. The HSA has 3 advantages over both the 401k and Roth IRA: no required minimum distributions at 72, no income limit, and completely tax-free withdrawals for medical expenses, the largest retirement cost most Americans face. Carol is 52 with 13 years until retirement, contributing $5,300 annually with her catch-up contribution. At 7% average return, her HSA projects to $108,000 completely tax-free by age 65. At age 65 every HSA dollar can be withdrawn for any reason. Medical expenses remain tax-free forever. Non-medical withdrawals are taxed like a traditional IRA, a third retirement account with better medical terms than anything else available. The receipt stacking strategy supercharges everything. Every medical expense Carol pays out of pocket gets documented. No IRS deadline for reimbursement. She can withdraw $40,000 in old receipts at 70 completely tax-free. Buffett said compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world, but compounding inside a triple tax-advantaged account is the most powerful wealth-building structure available to ordinary Americans. Carol is using it, most are not. The average retired couple spends $315,000 on healthcare between 65 and death. Most retirement calculators dramatically underestimate this. A fully funded HSA specifically addresses the largest unpredictable expense in your entire retirement plan. Carol's advisor never mentioned that HSA funds can pay Medicare Part B premiums, Medicare Advantage premiums, and long-term care insurance premiums completely tax-free. The largest fixed costs of retirement become tax-free distributions. Carol converted her HSA in 3 moves over 48 hours, lowered her investment threshold, moved $3,800 into a total market index fund, opened a receipt folder, copay debit card to compounding retirement vehicle in 2 days. Step 1. Log into your HSA provider today and find the investment threshold setting, lower it to the minimum allowed. This unlocks investment mode immediately. Most people have never clicked this despite having the account for years. Step 2. Invest everything above your minimum threshold in a low-cost total market index fund today. Do not wait. Tax-free compounding starts the day you invest. Every day in cash is a day the triple tax advantage is not working. Step 3. Maximize your contribution before the tax filing deadline. $4,300 individual, $8,550 family, $1,000 catch-up if over 55. The HSA retirement strategy only compounds as aggressively as you fund it. Carol called her advisor 3 months later. He said yes, the HSA can function as a retirement account. She said, you have managed my retirement for 6 years and never mentioned it. He had no good answer, neither did the industry. Every week on Health Vault Wealth we reveal the strategies most financial advisors never bring up because they were not designed to benefit the advisor. Subscribe now. Next week covers using your HSA to cover Medicare premiums tax-free. Carol's HSA is now her most intentional retirement account. She said, I had 3 retirement accounts the whole time. I was only funding 2, the third was always waiting. Now it is working.